अरे देखिए बहुत ही तरह हवा रहे हैं. In this video, let's try to find out the essential points required to find out the carpet area and plinth area right in Revit architecture. Alright, so for finding out carpet area, we will be calculating the total area inside of the inner face of the walls. So right now, if you are having a single room, you can make use of the total area of this room to be that of the carpet area. Okay, exception is varying from country to country. Right, in my country, we are having an exception area of toilet and staircase room right there. So assume that this is the staircase room and this is the toilet. So we are going to deduce the area of room 8 and room 7 right from the total area of the building. So for that, we want to select the room. Okay, room 8 and room 7, whichever room that you want to deduce the area. Right in the occupancy, make a number like no. You can give whatever number that you want, it's totally up to you. Now right in this case, we are going for new quantities and schedule, and I would like to have room schedules. I don't want to have these. I like to have room schedules here, room, and this one will be the rooms. And now I'd like to calculate the number, name, the number, the occupancy, which is no, which is name, the occupancy, which we have provided a tag for exceptional room 8 and 7 as no. And let's find out the number of room. Okay, we would like to have the number, and I would like to sort it based on number. So if I hit OK for now, you can see that we are having two rooms having the tag no. Let's add the area of the building, and for doing that, edit the field. I like to have an area. It's quite okay. So right now, if I put the total, so get into, yeah, it will be sorted by maybe name or number, whatever it be. And like to have the total and the grand total, and the total can be total of area. Alright, that's it. So right now you can see that each and every room is having its own area, except for room 7 and 8. We want to deduce 13 plus 11 here. In order to subtract some of the areas or any numbers right from the total schedule, what you can do here is get into filter, and I like to filter it by occupancy, where the value does not equal to no. Let's see what happened. You know, obviously room 7 and room 8 has been disappeared. Okay, right now the area, the deduced area, or you can say that the carpet area, is 55. If I try to undo that, you can see that the area before was 79, including room 7 and 8. So that's how you will be removing some quantities right from here. Get into occupancy, and you know, the occupancy that does not equal to no. And also, I don't want to see occupancy right here. Okay, you can hide occupancy right from formatting, and I don't want to see occupancy. Just set it as a hidden field. Occupancy is now hidden, so that's how you will be calculating the carpet area.